Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Oh my gosh, you guys, it has been so long since I've redone my fireplace, and it is so time to get rid of the old. And check this one out. This was only $10, you guys. I am so excited to share this with you. Stay tuned. Let me show you how. So this is my inspirational piece. I absolutely love it. I had so many comments and people were kind of ticked off at me actually for not showing how I made it. So I thought, hey, I'm going to do a step-by-step and show you how I do this similarly on my fireplace. So I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up some foam board. It's only $1 each. And some sponges, which I already had a whole bunch of. I'm using my leftover paint, which is black, white, and gray. Some double-sided tape that I got off of Amazon. It's supposed to be heavy duty. And some sponges and an Exacto knife. Let the creativity begin. So I'm just going to basically water down some paint and just kind of spread it all around. I am literally just blending some colors. Now I did leave kind of a big edge here on the side, and then I didn't like it, so I went around and just covered it all up, and I painted the edges all black. And then I came in and I just kind of splattered some paint everywhere and just kind of blended it a little bit more. Wanted it to kind of look a little more unique, like this. Look at that. Isn't that super sharp? I'm so excited. So I added some double-sided tape on the back of it. And again, that's from Amazon. I'll link that below. And just going to go ahead and peel that off. And there we go. First one is going up. Okay, I put it up close to the wall. I'm going to use that as my guideline. And I came over because right here, I know that the camera's not going to pick it up very well, but there's a big lip right here. And of course, like with the panels on here, it's going to cover up this big mess and this big mess over here too. But there's a big lip that goes right in through there. So, and plus the drywall is coming up right here. So I figured this would be a quick, easy, temporary solution. Well, I don't know. I'm kind of liking it so far. So let's get going. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Exacto knife and just kind of follow along, measure it out, and get that all cut down. And Exacto knife is like the perfect thing for this. So I'm going to go ahead and get this painted, let it dry, put some more tape on the back of it, and go ahead and start putting these up. I went ahead and cut everything down, painted it, and let it dry. And while it was drying, I noticed that it was starting to curl up a little bit, and I was like, oh no. So I went ahead and I still put the double-sided tape up there, and it wasn't sticking whatsoever. So I went ahead and grabbed some little screws, and yes, this is foam board, but you can actually screw it right into the wall no matter what. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, isn't that so super sharp? With my painting being my inspirational piece, I was able to take those colors and put them directly right around my fireplace without actually having to paint my walls, which is a perfect solution if you are living in a rental or an apartment situation. I mean, this is absolutely perfect, and what a way to transform. So I'm not really into the uniform look. I like things a little on the abstract. I always have. So I think this is like perfect for me. Like I said, it draws all the colors in together from my painting, which is like as soon as you open up this door right here, that's the first thing that you see is my painting. So as you're walking out the door, you're gonna look at my fireplace. So I just love it. I think it is absolutely beautiful. So let me just give you a quick little overview of how it all looks together, how it's all blended. And anyway, I hope you guys got some inspiration, some ideas. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. And anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys are all staying safe and well, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye now.